welcome to your weekly reading. I've got 3 tarot cards for you this week. We have the Six of Cups, we have the Page of Wands, and then we have the Ace of Swords. So lovely. The Six of Cups, first of all. This is a lovely card. This is all about reunions and gatherings and getting together with people from the past, people that you haven't seen for a while. So, I mean, around this time of year, that is very typical anyway. So this is just reflective of what many of you may be up to. Now, with the cups, in the picture here, we've got lots of different cups and flowers, meaning that it's really going to fill you up, like emotionally. So they're going to be happy times, lots of laughter, joy and love. So that's just really lovely. The other thing about this is you could be reconnecting to people on a soul level as well. It can come in so many different ways. So yes, it might be from your life that you've lived. It could be work colleagues, friends and family, children's parents that you haven't seen for a long time, and you just get back in touch and you have some sort of social event. Or it could be someone from a past life, someone where you really feel like, I know this person, you know, on a soul level. I've not met them in this life, but I feel as though I know them. You know, that sort of recognition. This card comes along when you have those types of recognitions, the connections where you just feel, gosh, we're soulmates, or you are part of my soul group, you know, and it's lovely and deep. So lots of beautiful, beautiful connections, and it can happen in a romantic way or a platonic. It could be friends, but you know what, there could be other ways of looking at this card where you could have pets maybe coming into your life, or even babies being born into your life or into your family, and you feel as though that soul in that animal or that person, you've just been connected in some way before, in a past life perhaps. So it's just a beautiful, lovely, lovely, lovely energy, especially for this time of year. Now, the Page of Wands, these signify a time where things are starting to change. But look, I think this is just the thread that we've had over the past couple of weeks or so, where we've had quite a few wand cards. And this is all about things changing, things moving, things opening up. Now, with the wand specifically, this is just to remind us, it's about business, enterprise, it's about work and career, but it's also about things that you're passionate about and things that are connected to your heart and soul. When a page turns up, it's usually right at the beginning of something shifting and moving. And we've already had some cards in the past couple of weeks where things have opened up, maybe offers, things shifting again, green lights. But here it's saying, okay, now you've had some change, you've had some shifting around. Now this is the start. This is the beginning for you. Here we go, off we go. Whether this comes in the form of an invitation or an offer, it could be an idea that you get, it could be information or an answer that you've been waiting for. It can come in many different forms, and it's good and it's positive and it's uplifting and you'll love it. So this is showing you're right at the beginning now. Here we go. For some of you, you've had your green light, you've had your shift, you've had your move, and here it is landing on your doorstep for some of you, which will lead you into this beautiful brand new beginning. Because aces are always about new doors and new paths opening up. Now, the interesting thing with the swords one, I'm laughing because I know this myself. This won't have been easy, this path to get to this point. It would have been stressful and hard and difficult, and you would have struggled Like, there would have been blood, sweat, and tears to get to this new start, this new beginning. Now, for some of you, it's a relationship, okay? Or these all together, for some of you, it's a strong, deep soul connection and relationship. And it wouldn't have been an easy path to get to this relationship or this new start, this new beginning. But you're here. You're here, guys, and you can feel it coming. Some of you might be absolutely at the door and you can open the door and walk through. For others, you just know it's there. You just know it's a few more steps and you're absolutely there. So in that case, this is the universe saying, look, this is there for you. This is our promise to you. That's what I feel. That's what I'm getting. This is our promise to you. You have this new start. You have this new beginning. And look at the crown on the top there. That's my symbol for victory. You will be victorious with this new path, new beginning, new door that's in front of you, that's appearing in front of you. You will be victorious. So I hope it's a wonderful week and thank you so much for watching.